Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The art of the French coastal garden. Relaxed elegance by the sea. The magic of a French coastal garden lies in its beautiful contradiction. It is both refined and completely at ease. This style captures the effortless charm of a seaside villa, where the boundaries between the cultivated garden and the wild natural landscape are softly blurred. It's a design philosophy that embraces the sun-bleached colors, salty breezes, and textured greenery of the coast. Forget formal, rigid parterres. Here, the goal is to create a sanctuary that feels both curated and naturally occurring. This approach results in an outdoor space that is deeply inviting and serene. Ultimately, it is a celebration of relaxed elegance by the water's edge. The color scheme of a French coastal garden is inspired directly by its stunning surroundings. Think of the soft, weathered hues of a beachside cottage, creamy whites, pale grays, and dusty blues. These colors are used for elements like painted furniture, shutters, and garden ornaments, creating a sense of harmony with the environment. Flower choices follow suit, favoring silvery green foliage and blooms in shades of lavender, violet, and soft pink. This restrained palette provides a calm, cooling backdrop against the bright coastal light. It allows the textures of plants and materials to take center stage, creating a sophisticated and cohesive look. The planting style is lush but purposefully rugged, designed to thrive in the challenging coastal conditions. Aromatic, drought-resistant Mediterranean herbs like lavender, rosemary, and thyme are foundational, releasing their scent with every step. These are paired with tough, silvery foliage plants such as Santolina and lamb's ear, which reflect the strong sunlight. Ornamental grasses are often incorporated to add movement and a sense of being gently tousled by the sea wind. Climbing roses, particularly hardy varieties, are trained to scramble over fences or arches, adding a romantic, softening touch. This combination creates a garden that is both beautiful and resilient, looking better with each passing year. Hardscaping and decor rely on natural, weathered materials that look as if they have always been there. Aged terracotta pots, rough-hewn wooden benches, and gravel or crushed shell pathways are quintessential elements. Gravel, in particular, is highly functional, providing excellent drainage and a soft, crunching sound underfoot that enhances the sensory experience. Artful accents such as a simple wrought iron trellis or a time-worn stone urn add structure and a touch of classic French style. The key is to choose pieces that feel collected over time rather than perfectly matched. This approach imbues the garden with a soulful, lived-in character that is the ultimate expression of its relaxed elegance.